подчеркнуть. Все планы, которые мы поставили перед собой...
Putin sucks.
Nah, he's not that bad.
Fuck dude, seriously. The guy's the worst. Fuck him.
Ha ha ha, crybaby. Is there any leader you actually like?
Well, actually I really like...
Noodles, noodles, noodles. I am cooking noodles. Noodles, noodles, noodles. I am cooking noodles.
Jesus Christ, here we go again.
I'm so tired of him. He's been staying here for weeks now.
Yeah, we can't seem to get rid of him.
Noodles, noodles, noodles. I am cooking noodles.
That fucking noodles song.
Dude, we just have to live with it. I mean, he is an all-powerful cosmic entity. Not much we can do about it.
Noodles, noodles, noodles. Oh, I forgot my spices. I need spices for my noodles.
Actually, I have an idea. Come hurry Fatas.
I'm okay. What the fuck are you doing?
Having fun, ha ha ha. Here you go. Take his noodles. Hide them.
No way, dude, he will kill us.
Fuck off. Hide them now.
Oh no. Shit, my noodles are gone.
Just act cool. Follow my lead.
Hey guys, have you seen my noodles?
Yeah. Actually I know where they are. Vladimir Putin came and stole them when you were away.
Vladimir Putin?
Yes.
The Russian president was here just now?
Yep.
And he stole my noodles?
Actually?
Yes.
Okay.
Holy shit.
Ha ha ha, he is so fucking stupid.
He is gonna kill him.
Ha ha, let's see. Turn on the news.
Go go Tron Cat! Go go Tron Cat! Go go Tron Cat! He's so fat he wants his noodles back!
Значительных успехов. Все планы, хочу это подчеркнуть, все планы, которые мы поставили перед собой год назад, реализованы.
Raffle now. Don't ever steal noodles from me again.
Ты черт возьми, мудак, почему я тампон?
Next time I will turn you into a diaper.
Я убью тебя.
Goodbye.
Ha ha ha, oh my fucking god.
Vladimir Putin shocked everyone today as it turns out he has transformed into a tampon. Putin denies that he has become tame Putin, stating that he is, in fact, not a tampon, despite looking like one.
He turned him into a fucking tampon.
Ha ha, Tame Putin.
Haha, serves him right. Fucking tame Putin.
Awesome.
Hey dude, I have an idea.
What?
Let's do Donald Trump next.
Fuck, yes.
Go go Tron Cat! Go go Tron Cat! Go go Tron Cat! He's so fat he wants his noodles back!
What's up guys? It's been a year now since I started this channel. Well, actually it's been 11 years, because I started the channel in 2006? I think? 7? I think? Anyway, so basically after a year of making these stupid cat videos, I've now reached the 500 subscriber mark. Yay! Hurricane, are you happy that we have 500 subscribers?
Fuck off.
Okay. So basically, building a YouTube audience is hard. So what I want to do to get more exposure and to have some fun is that I want to launch a competition. What I want you to do is to, first of all, if you're not subscribed, do it. If you are subscribed, what I want you to do is to share my videos. Put them on Facebook, on Twitter, or Reddit, or whatever. After you've done that, comment on the video that you shared. It can be whatever video, it could be the first video or the last video. Comment on the video and say shared. Basically, you can say whatever you want, but just add the word shared in it, and then you're automatically in the competition. Oh yeah, what's the prize? These awesome t-shirts, way, with the stupid logo on it. You can basically walk around with a cat t-shirt and nobody knows what it is because it's a shitty channel. This is not the only design I have. I think I have 5 designs that will pop up on the screen now. I will draw a winner on my next video, so if you want a stupid t-shirt, join in. If not, I don't blame you. Nobody knows what the fuck this is anyway. It just looks stupid. Say bye-bye, Hurricane.
Bye guys, share our videos.
Yeah, damn straight.